I'm gonna show you fuckers how to install fucking Windows 10. Just need my fucking hard drive. Shit. Let's do this bitch. Okay, I'll show you how to install fucking Windows 10 for free. Go on, put the media USB inside. Show y'all how to do this. Okay. Okay, so first you go to the USB boot menu. USB. Ultra. That's my installation media. Stupid. Just gotta wait for the shit to load. There it is. Okay, we're gonna install this shit. Just load. Right now, we're gonna skip the party keys. You don't need the party key. For me, I'm gonna show you how to install without the party key. See, Windows 10 Pro. Yeah. Okay. Accept license. Next. Custom. Going to use drive. Let's see. I'm going to use drive 1. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so I'm going to use drive 1. Next. Okay, make a new partition. The fuck? What the fuck? Now we got Windows 10 installed, but right now it's not activated. Let's see. So right now it's not like a, I guess, legitimate copy. And we're gonna use this flash drive right here to trick Windows into thinking that it's been activated when it hasn't. Okay, so let's plug this in. USB drive file. Okay, so now we're going to go to that USB drive. Let's see. We're going to go into this folder, which has a command line tool to activate our Windows 10 installation for free. Okay, activation mode. And I'll link all this shit in the description of the video. Okay, it's activated. Activation mode menu. Okay, it's gonna take a little while. Okay. Installation key for Windows Professional Edition. Looks like it was found. Activating Windows R Professional Edition. Product activation successful. Remaining period 180 days. Installation of Office not detected. Any key to continue, then you can auto renew your activation key here. Okay, so it like, I think it has something to do with the Windows registry that it's almost certain that it tricks Windows 10 into thinking that your installation is registered, so they won't bother you. Let's see, but yeah, there's still one more step we have to do. It's the most important step, actually. Let's see, I'll get this right. We'll do a hardware modification. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the hard drive out that has Windows 10 on it. Let's see. Well, it's not working anymore, and you're gonna want to do this. You go on, fix your fucking hard drive, Windows 10 on it. Fuck. You go on it. Fucking. Fucking Windows 10. Fucking. Fuck you, use Windows 10, you fucking bitch. Fucking use Windows. Use like Linux. Like BSD. Some shit. You fucking Windows. Fucking bitch. What's wrong with this? I think this shit's broke. The whole fucking use Windows 10. Fucking piece of shit.